Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you that a big problem with the Poco X2 display. It's automatically changed its refresh rate to 90 Hz, though there is no option of 90 Hz in the settings. So yeah, I'm going to show you that only in this video. So just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, let's begin. I'll just tell you that this is the MIUI version. Here is the 12.0.2.0 stable version, the global version. Here as you can see, MIUI version global, so that I'm not using any custom ROM or anything. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, the display here is on 120 Hz, set to 120 Hz display. And when I go to the home screen, so it will be smoother if you have Poco X2 and if you are using it on 120 Hz display regularly, then you will notice the difference, the smoothness. There is a little bit less smoothness. You will notice that yeah, there is some issue, there is some going on. And so to check that, I just wanted to confirm it, that what's the issue. And I came to know that it just reduces its refresh rate to 90 Hz. As you can see, it's not going over 90 fps, and it just keep fluctuating between that. So as you can see here, this display here is just not stable. I don't know for what reason. Let's just refresh the page if you want to know. Let's just try it again. So as you can see, it just stopped at 90 fps, and it will show the refresh rate here. I don't know what's going on, it is not showing it. Currently I have taken a screenshot. I'll just show it to you. So as you can see, it just stopped at 90 fps, and it is showing the refresh rate 90 Hz. So as you can see, this is a and the website I'm using here is testufo.com for this refresh rate test. So now let's just go to the settings, and I'll just show it to you that the display is currently on 120 Hz, set to 120 Hz. And this issue I'm facing from around 2 to 3 months now, and this was issue I was facing in MIUI 12.0.1.0 also. Now I'll just show it to you in the other website. Like this is one website, testufo.com, and the another here is the display hertz. As you can see, displayhertz.com, and let's see to it. Here also it's calculating. So as you can see, this is also showing 90 Hz display, and I have reported it many times, but there is no issue. The Poco team tells me to restart the phone, and after the reboot, the refresh rate goes to 120 fps, 120 Hz. So after the reboot, there is no issue, but this shouldn't be happening while using the phone. Like this happens after every 3 to 4 days, and after every 3 to 4 days I have to reboot my phone. So yeah, this is an issue I am facing. So if you are a Poco X2 user, and if you are facing this issue, then please let me know in the comment section below, and report it to the Poco team. I have reported it many times. I have reported in the feedback app, on the Twitter and everything. They just tell to reboot the phone and everything, or reset the phone and those kinds of things. And now let's see after changing. This is the refresh rate, and now I'll just switch to 60 and again switch back to 120 Hz. Let's just see to it. It's calculating. So as you can see, it's again back to 90. As you can see, for a while it just switches to 120, and again it is back to 90 Hz. So this is a problem on this phone. Okay, so guys, as you can see, it is currently on 90 Hz. Now let's just reboot the phone, and after rebooting the phone, it will be just back to 120 Hz. So yeah, this is how you can solve this issue. You just have to reboot your phone to get back to 120 Hz. There is no other way. And now let's just check the display hertz. It will be back to 120 Hz, as you can see here. So yeah, the phone, it's back on 120 Hz. But when it automatically switches to 90 Hz, there is one advantage, that the battery consumption here becomes less. So yeah, the battery life will increase. So yeah, that's an advantage. But you have the capability of 120 Hz, so why to use 90? After using 120 Hz, 90 Hz also fills up little bit less. So guys, yeah, this is the Poco X2, and you may be wondering what case I am using here. So yeah, now if you are able to see, yeah, this is the blue matte case I am using. I will leave a link of this case in the description, so you can just buy it from the Amazon. I bought it from Amazon, and so you can buy it from Amazon, and this is a very good case, like it fits perfectly. So guys, you might be wondering that how I got these animations. Then there will be a card up available here for that video. You can watch that video for how to get these app closing animations on the Poco launcher. And so yeah, this has been an issue I wanted to tell you. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.